So hello guys, welcome back to Budding Marina's English channel. My name is Surya, your mentor. So I'm back with a form filling video. This is a special form filling video just for the female candidates. The female candidates who wish to work in the deck side, who wish to become a deck cadet later than captain. This is a perfect opportunity for you guys. SEASPAN through Seven Islands has been taking only female candidates from the past 2 to 3 years, I guess, from the past 2 years. So this is the form to that. It's a simple Google Forms, and the link to these Google Forms will be in the description below. So you can check it out and go directly to the Google Forms. So you just have to fill your full name, your email address, your mobile number, your date of birth, your height in centimeter, your weight in kilogram, your mother's name, your mother's mobile number, your mother's occupation, your father's name, your father's mobile number, your father's occupation, your permanent address, uh, airport which is near to your residence, your food preference, your percentage in your 10th, your school name, your board, and how much you have secured in your 12th. If the results are still being awaited, you can just mention awaited there, or else you can just put up how many marks you got, and your school name of your 12th, your board of your 12th, and PCM aggregate. If not declared, put awaited, or else just mention your mark. IMUCT rank, if not declared, put awaited. If you're filling it, once the IMUCT results are out, you can put out your IMUCT rank, and you can just upload your CV there, which should be less than 10 MB. So that is it, easy as that. Easy Google form it is. Yes, and you can just click on submit, and yes, the Google Forms is submitted, and you will be getting a confirmation mail to the respective email ID which you have just given before. So that was it. That was a simple form filling video for CSPAN for only female candidates. Make sure that no boys fill it. No use. Yeah, this is strictly for female candidates. And yes, if you wish to uh, prepare for your IMUCT sponsorship or any company sponsorship interviews, test, whatever it is, if you have any further doubts regarding merchant navy or your medicals or your sponsorship exams, test, anything and everything about IMUCT and merchant navy, just let us know in the Google Forms below in the description. The link I have provided to the Google Forms. So just fill it out, and we will get on a one-on-one call with you. We will call you. We'll clear your A to Z doubts about merchant navy sponsorship and IMUCT. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay tuned.